How to earn money on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn money on Instagram. So Instagram has just released a new feature called Instagram Gifts where creators will be able to receive gifts on the reels they create. So this is a feature where if you are creating a reel, your fans will be able to send you gifts. And when you receive gifts, you will be able to convert them into real currency. So this feature is not yet available worldwide as it is only available within a small group of creators in the US. Now, once this feature has been tested out successfully, it will be launched globally and then you will be able to make money using Instagram by simply enabling gifts, and then once you receive gifts from your fans, you will be able to convert them into real money. So that is basically how you can now earn money with Instagram. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.